Good morning, guys. We were going to walk for a morning. I get up a little late. It's around 9 o'clock. It's our rest day. 2 days is our rest day. Yeah, smells popcorn now. Yesterday, what's the smell? Shit smell. Where? Struck? Okay. Restroom. Went to the restroom and feel relieved. Now I'm stuck here with this one standing. Lots of hats here. I came out from the opposite side of the entrance. There is a Longhorn Steakhouse, Waffle House. What is that? Bojangles? I don't know what's in Bojangles. Is it sandwich, burgers, hamburgers? It looks like this is a small town, obviously. And here it is, entrance and exit of the fuel pump. And this is the fuel station store where I came from. I am low battery, so I want to go back to the truck because charge my phone. This is not a big truck stop, just enough. I don't know how many spots, but not that much. I like the view of the landscaping here outside. It's so nice. Green. Knock knock! Oh, feels cooler inside. Feels good. What are you doing, Annie? You're cooking a hot dog? Bon appetit, Annie! So I put this down to let it cool. What is kind of hot dog, Han? Turkey? Turkey hot dog. Let me try it. Oops. Turkey hot dog. Tastes like hot dog. This is our typical day, or what do you call this, Honey? A layover day. We don't have load, no layover day or rest day. The fortune cookies. We love reading the message from fortune cookies. We got fortune cookies the other day. If he buys food from Panda Express, I am excited to read those fortune cookies messages. Towel, honey.
So the water evaporates, they don't drip back.
This is the finished product of my hubby's cooking. My chicken, my beans, vegetables, and saffron. Yan. Kain po mga kabayan! My honey is really good in cooking. This is a good thing of marrying a man that who knows how to cook, who knows how to do laundry, who knows how to clean the house. You don't need to sweep the floor. They use vacuum because mostly the houses here are they have carpet. They know how to drive, and yan, very responsible, in other words. Gabi na naman, guys, and I just wanna say thank you sa mga bagong subscribers ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And God bless po sa inyo, and thank you for watching my vlogs, my short videos. Thank you, guys. Good night, everyone.